look out my window sometimes and I see LOs that are focused, and I see LOs that are standing and chatting about stuff unrelated to business. I see LOs that are playing games, see LOs that are on their phones. What is the difference between these LOs? Look, today I'm gonna go over with you the number one trait to take your loan officer career journey to the very next level. I'm talking about the top trait that nobody really talks about because it's so damn rare. What I'm talking about exactly is treating time like oxygen. As a loan officer, you have to understand there is always something for you to do. Right now, as I'm making this video, I'm losing money because there's something that I could be doing. What does that mean? Well, I have new clients if I'm getting new leads, and I could be calling my new leads, texting my new leads, emailing my new leads. Let's say you're not getting any new leads. Well, I have old leads. I have 30-day leads, 60-day leads, 90-day leads, 6 months leads. I could be calling them on a dialer. I could be texting them. I could be emailing them. I could be dropping voicemails for them. What else could you be doing? I could go to every single client I close. I could call them right now and I could check up on them, see how they're doing, how their family's doing. Tell them, look, it's a crazy world today. Do you need any extra cash? Let me check out your situation. Any friends or family looking to purchase or refinance? And if you built good relationships with people that you closed, you could get a couple of contacts from doing that. How many LOs actually even do that? There's social media. I could get on social media, send DMs to people if they need extra money, if they want to purchase. I could make content right now for social media. I could do a paid advertisement on LinkedIn, on Facebook. I could go to a website and create a mailer right now and send it out. I could go to my phone book and start calling people in my phone book and checking up on them and seeing if they need help or if they have any family or friends that need help. I could go outside and start knocking on my neighbors' doors and asking them how their mortgage is, if they need help, if they have any friends or family that need help. I could buy new leads or check out new lead sources and see if I could get more opportunity from these leads. There's always something for you to be doing in mortgages. I could clean up my pipeline. I could make new Excel sheets. I could listen to my call clips and get better. I could create text messages so they're ready to go every single day for every single scenario. I could create emails. I could create drip campaigns. I could create processes because a lot of LOs are very sloppy and disorganized. All these things I told you to do, they take 90 days worth of time. You can't even do these things in one day. There's so much for you to do as a loan originator. Why the f are you doing nothing? Or why are you doing almost nothing? Why do you come in here and waste time? So it drives me back to a couple of key factors. It makes me think about things like goals. It makes me think about things like people that move quick. Like, why do I move quick? Why am I always working? Because I know where I want to go. And while I'm here, I'm thinking about where I want to go. As a matter of fact, I'm running and I'm on my way where I want to go always because I'm always constantly in that zone. And I think people that are not doing this are maybe not thinking about where they want to go. They think they just want to come in here
And I'm gonna try to write a loan today. And yeah, it's Alex Rafferty with you today. Were you looking to refinance or purchase?
Unconscious people. They're not coming in here with a killer mentality. Like, you can look at somebody's eyes and they have that killer mentality. And it's like, who's the first person I'm talking to today? Who am I gonna help originate today? Whose family am I gonna change today? And you look at me when I stand up like this and I take a call, it's completely different than, yeah, let's just write some loans today. It's two different people. It's two different mindsets. It's two different energies. This is the number one trait that you could hold as a loan originator, is treating your time like oxygen, is moving quickly, is always doing something for your business. There's always something that needs to be done for your business. Not wasting time, not getting sidetracked, having a process, having a structure, and throwing the kitchen sink at it. Text, email, voicemails, referrals, social media, phone book, old clients, new clients, past clients, referrals, throwing everything at it. There's so much avenues for you to find success. Why don't you just come in Royal Rumble and hit everything and then see what happens? Because you know what's gonna happen? You're gonna get production. You're gonna get more business. Something's gonna trickle in from here. Something's gonna trickle in from there. Something's gonna trickle in from down here. You're gonna make something happen. I can make something happen right now. Look, I could send a voicemail right now to 1,000 people that I haven't even talked to yet. They're older leads. Let's just see what happens when I do this. Good morning, happy Wednesday. It's Alex Sharafadine dropping you a voicemail here. I wanted to get in touch with you and see if there's anything I could do in my power to help you solidify this deal for cash out or monthly savings. We have very low interest rates across home equity loans, home equity lines, and refinances. We match or beat any offers, and we work with any individual client because we work with every lender across the country to find the right one for you. Please shoot me a call back or text back. Let me know where you currently stand and let me know how I could help. My direct line is 313. If you already got it taken care of or you're not interested, also text me back and let me know, and I'll stop calling you. Thanks so much. I appreciate it. Like, real quick, that's a voicemail. Now it's getting dropped. That just got sent. So again, if you're a loan originator, what do you do with this video? How do you execute? You got to go into work. Write down 4 or 5 things to keep you busy all day and do them all day long. Stop wasting your time on all this silly stuff, nonsense, bullshit. Earn the reward, earn the pleasure, earn the games, earn the lunch, and be busy all day long. You simply do that, that's gonna double your numbers. We're not even talking about skill. We're not even talking about leads. We're not talking about anything. We're talking about, could you be truly busy and impactful every single second of the day today? And if you can, that'll double your numbers. My name's Alex Sharafadine. I've closed thousands of mortgages. I've helped loan officers across the country. We have everything in this bundle called Mastering the Mortgage World. Every single play I have, script I have, lender I use, program I use, hack, everything is inside of here. We have every single script and template for emails, voicemails, text, anything that you need for every lead source out there. If you want to master the mortgage world, it's on acesacademy.com. Get in there. And if not, we have a free version of it as well that you could join for free with none of your money. Like, share the video with anybody you love. We're doing this for you. If you enjoy it and you appreciate it, make sure you share it and you post it. It's a two-way street. I'm going to ask for your business just like I'm giving you my business. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one.